Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're back out in the garage with my newest project, the 79 Ford F-150 Custom. A little bit more work than I wanted. I've been looking for one of these for a while, and everything I found that was nice was between 5 and 6 hours away from here. So we're just going to make this a driver. It's not going to be something fabulous. I took the taillights out and stuff. We're taking this box off. I'll clean it up, make it so it'll last a while and fun to drive without getting every little scratch and dent taken care of. But you see the bed. The bed's pretty rough. Cab was actually really nice. I can't get some pictures of the inside right now, but the fenders are nice. Got an extra set of doors with it. But stay tuned. We're going to be flying through this one because I want to get this done before we start getting too much snow on the ground. Here's the interior. Still pretty decent shape. Consider it was a work truck. The bed is actually, or the seat's actually pretty clean. Floors are still really solid. Rockers look good. You can see the cab corner once again, the corner of that. Well guys, here's the wheel on now. This is a Grant steering wheel. The wheel itself is pretty simple to put on. The instructions for the horn setup weren't the greatest. I did get it figured out. It depends on, they have instructions for the 2 and single wire horn setup, but they don't explain exactly how to hook them up very well. But the wheel itself is pretty decent. You get the cap, you get your you get just a plain cap plus the Ford one if you order it. I think it was like 90 bucks. I got it for Christmas. Thanks, Grace. Anyway, not a bad deal to set up. Like I said, the horn was the biggest hassle, and just because they have the plate you stick the horn button onto, just it doesn't clip in very well. I'd like to see maybe even an Allen set screw, just push the cap down and use a set screw to hold it on. But it works. Everything's working. The horn's working. Nice little upgrade. Kind of old school. Well, it's Sunday afternoon. I'm out here working on the truck again. And once again, in over my head, started working on the cab corners, got the one welded in, and looking in the front side of the door, lower post there was rotted, so I started cutting that out and got it all lined up and in place, but just a lot of messing around. We'll still have to order another door post to the other side, but let me show you what we got going on here. Cab corners are cut out, welded a little patch in there. Doors off. Gonna have to replace this little panel here, but we already got them. A few little repairs back there. This one's been cut out already. Put a piece in. So here it is, guys. We got the new cab corner all welded up in there. I got a bunch of holes to fill. As you can see, I hate welding sheet metal. But that one's in. Made a little patch there. It was pretty crude, so I ordered the piece for the other side. But I cut this one down, got this one all cut out and placed in there. Just mocked up. We're going to pull that out quick. Do some rust proofing underneath there, a little rust encapsulator. And then we'll try and get after welding that tomorrow. Now they're on the driver's side. You can see this cab corner is kind of just tacked up there in place with Clecos. So like I was saying with the Clecos, here's the pliers we use on them. You just stick your Cleco in here press on the pliers, shrinks this down, stick that through your hole, and to release it, that expands, holds your panel in place. They work great. You can reuse them for anything. I love them for doing body work like this. Used to use them a lot on the race cars for putting body panels on as well. Well worth the price. I think I paid $12-15 for a set of these with the pliers. You can always buy extra. And getting ready, just mocked up. I'll be pulling that back off because we have to put a patch panel right here. Just want to get this mocked up. Anyway, I cut my panels for there. On the other side, I patched it in, but it was kind of pretty crude, so I wanted to get the repair panel itself, put in here. We did get these panels for the front of the door posts. Well, as you can see, I got a patch one down there, and we found a couple surprises in the floor. So once again, in over my head. Just taking it one bite at a time, getting her done. Let me walk around here and I'll show you what we got going on.